All right, welcome to this visual explainer. Today, we're exploring a really comprehensive blueprint that completely demystifies digital marketing. We're going to be looking at the exact steps the source material outlines to build a highly targeted Facebook ad campaign, literally from scratch. Whether you're looking to kickstart a freelance career, scale up your e-commerce store, or even just grow a local restaurant down the street, understanding this stuff is absolute gold. Okay, let's dive right into the zoom-in approach. Our agenda covers: what is digital marketing, traditional versus digital marketing, the digital marketing ecosystem, Facebook ads foundation, anatomy of a campaign, and finally, targeting your audience.
So, starting us off with section 1, what exactly is digital marketing?
Look, at its core, marketing has always been just getting the word out, right? Promoting your business to get more customers. But doing it digitally, that completely changes the game. Instead of crossing your fingers and hoping someone happens to glance at their car window at a billboard, you're bringing your message straight to the screens people are already glued to all day long. Facebook, Google, Instagram. It's about meeting them exactly where they are.
Which brings us to section 2, traditional versus digital marketing. The contrast here is, well, it's actually pretty funny when you think about it. With traditional marketing, you might slap a printed flex banner on the back of a moving rickshaw. I mean, who actually sees it? Usually, it's just some random, frustrated commuter who is completely exhausted from their day and has literally zero interest in what you're selling. It's pricey, and you have no control over the audience. But digital marketing, it's incredibly targeted. If you're selling a specific mobile phone cover, you can show your ad exclusively to people who are currently holding that exact model of phone in their hands. How wild is that? And that leads us straight into this golden rule of business. Well, traditional ads leave you completely guessing. I mean, you have no clue if that rickshaw banner brought in even one single sale. Digital ads let you track everything. You know exactly who clicked, what age group is buying the most, and which ads are absolute winners. And because you can measure all of that data, you can constantly tweak and improve it. All right, moving on to section 3, the digital marketing ecosystem. You have a whole toolbox of powerful options here. There's SEO, which is basically the art of getting your website to rank on the first page of Google so customers find you naturally. There's App Store optimization for getting more downloads. We've got email marketing, which, believe it or not, remains incredibly powerful for sliding right into a customer's inbox and driving repeat business. And pay-per-click, where you show up in those sponsored Google search results. But the pillar we really want to focus on today is social media marketing. Which naturally begs the question, out of all these incredible tools, why are we choosing Facebook for our paid marketing campaigns?
Let's get into it in section 4, Facebook Ads Foundation.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is just the unbelievable scale of this number. Meta, the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has nearly 3 billion active users. 3 billion. Now, organic reach, which is just posting for free on your page, has seriously dropped off lately because of algorithm changes and just sheer competition. But Facebook's paid advertising platform, it gives you the ultimate cheat code to bypass all that noise and instantly reach this massive audience. But to tap into those 3 billion people, you need to build your foundation, and you have to do it in this exact chronological order. First up, you need a standard personal profile, just a normal account. From there, you create your business page to actually represent your brand. Third, you set up an ad account. This is where you link your bank card to handle the billing. And finally, the big one, the Meta Business Manager. This is your professional dashboard. It's where you manage multiple pages, ad accounts, and securely assign roles to your team members or clients without ever handing over your personal passwords. Safety first.
Okay, zooming in further now. Section 5, Anatomy of a Campaign.
And this brilliantly illustrates how Meta organizes advertising. It's just a simple 3-tier hierarchy. Right at the top level is the campaign, where you define your big picture goal or objective. Inside that campaign is the ad set. Think of this as the rules engine, like who you're targeting and how much you want to spend. And finally, tucked inside the ad set is the ad itself. This is the creative level, the actual images, videos, and copy that your customer is going to see on their screen. Looking a little closer at that top level, the campaign level, the very first thing you have to do is tell Facebook exactly what your goal is. If you want people to visit your website, you pick traffic. If you're an e-commerce store looking for purchases, you choose sales. But let's say your strategy is to get potential customers to message your business on WhatsApp so your sales team can jump in and close the deal personally. In that scenario, you'd select the engagement objective. Once that objective is locked in, you drop down to the ad set level where you control the money. You basically have 2 main options here. A lifetime budget is awesome if, say, you're running a strict 24-hour flash sale for a holiday and you want Facebook to use accelerated delivery to spend that money fast. But for standard, continuous optimization, where you actually want Facebook's AI to learn and bring you steady results over time, a daily budget with no end date is absolutely the industry standard.
And now for the really fun part. Section 6, targeting your audience.
I want you to picture your absolute perfect buyer in your head right now. Got 'em? Okay, how do we filter out the billions of people on Facebook to find just the ones who want to buy exactly what you're selling? We do all this magic at the ad set level. You have these incredibly precise targeting levers at your disposal. You can target geographically, right down to specific cities. You can dial in the age range and gender. And with detailed targeting, you can zero in on demographics, specific interests, and even user behaviors. By pulling these specific levers, you're making sure you aren't wasting a single dollar showing ads to the wrong people. So the crucial point is seeing this strategy in action. Imagine you're selling premium formal men's shoes online in Pakistan. First, you set the gender to men, and you bump the age range to 22 to 55, ensuring they actually have the purchasing power for a premium product. But here's the genius part. You intentionally exclude the city of Sialkot from your geographic targeting. Why? Because Sialkot is a massive manufacturing hub for shoes. The people there are making the shoes. There is no way they're going to buy them online at retail prices. This level of precise inclusion and exclusion is exactly what makes digital targeting so effective. And just like that, we've walked through the entire ecosystem. You now hold the blueprint to reach anyone, anywhere with absolute pinpoint precision. You understand the foundations, the campaign structures, and the sheer power of digital targeting. The tools to grow literally any business are right there at your fingertips. So I'll leave you with this. You've got the blueprint. Whose screen will you show up on tomorrow? Thank you so much for watching this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.